What is good, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and I'm back at you with another video. And today's video is going to be another one I recorded a while ago. I ended up getting the vid, so I'm a little sick if you can't tell by my voice. But we're gonna hop into this video right now. And before I forget to tell you, this is the little Trufiber carbon fiber door panel inserts that go like in the middle of the door panel, like pretty much right by where you grab it to close it. But yeah, let's get into it. What's up, everybody? I'm just doing one little mod on my car, little carbon fiber door inserts to go right here. Very simple to get these out. Just use a flathead screwdriver, pop it right out. These are direct replacements. You don't got to do nothing. Simple. Snap it in. Oh, so I see. Okay. Simple as that. And just little clips that lock into place. You know, makes the door look a little bit nicer. Add that little hit of carbon fiber. I'll show you the other side. So I just take the flathead and just right here. So here's the other side. Go from that old plastic to the carbon. And they got two little hooks that you just hook in and then clamp or just press that down. And there you go. Gives it a cool little look. Alright, and I will link these down in the description for you guys. That's what, if you want to get them, you can get them. I don't know if they're in stock. It's hit or miss with Trufiber. A lot of the stuff will be on back order, or a lot of it will be in stock. So I'll have those linked down in the description. I'll have a bunch of other stuff that's on the door panel linked down there too. So yep. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it so much. And it is a shorter video, like I said. I did end up getting super sick, so just going with one of the videos I had recorded before, and once I'm better I'll actually get back to the newer videos. But if you'd like, comment and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.